Welcome to Study Loop.
Dear student, this question is about the salaries earned by the employee, and these numbers are shown in thousands of dollars. What we have to do is first we have to determine the mean, median, and mode of this given number. So let's start with the given number here. We have 10 observation and we have to find the mean. For finding the mean, what we have to do is x bar equal to summation xi by n. By n mean 1 by number of observation, that is 10. So just we have to sum each, we have to add these all observation, we get the sum of xi. So that is 30 plus 30 plus 45 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 55 plus 60 plus 70. By adding these number, we get that it is 500 by 10. So let's cancel these zeros, we get 50. So it means that mean equals to $50,000. So next is the median. We know that a median is found by the number of observation. We have the number of observation 10. So if it is even, then what we do is we find these two values and then go to the data. N by 2 mean 10 by 2 and 10 by 2 plus 1. So here we get 5, 5. So 5 mean fifth place and 6 mean sixth place. On fifth and sixth place, if the data is in ascending order. So this data is already in ascending order. So let's find the fifth place and sixth place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will take this mean, this number, and then 50 plus 50 by 2. We find the average and we get that it is 100 by 2, that is also 50. So the median is also $50,000. Now let's move to the mode. What is mode? Mode is the number that is most repeated number. So let's find here in the data, we get that 50 is the most repeated number because it is repeated 3 times. So let's write it that the mode is also $50,000. Now what we have to do in the second question is if the business has been good, as a result it gives the total 25,000 in bonus pay to distribute to his employee. So what they do is for each employee they give $2,500 as a bonus. Okay, now we have to recreate the data and then we recalculate the median, mode, and mean of this data. So let's recreate the data first. So here is the recreated data by adding 2,500 to each of the employee's salary. So let's find the mean of this. This is mean equal to 1 by 10 observation. Then we will add these data like 5 plus 32.5 plus 47.5. Likewise, we will add all these number up to 77.5. So by adding this number, what we get is 525 by 10. So when we divide it, we get 5 2.5. So 52.5 mean it is 52,500 dollar. Now let's find the median for this data. The median we will find it by the number placed on fifth and sixth place. Here we will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these two numbers will add it and take the average. That is median equals to 52.5 plus 52.5 by 2. This will be median equals to 105.5 divided by 2. So that is 10. Yes. Now the median will be equals to, when we divide it, we get, sorry, this is not point 0.5, as we add this 2 point, we get 10 and 1 is carry, so it is 105 divided by 2, that is 52.5. So the median will be $52,500. Now the mode is the most repeated number. As we can see here that 52.5 is repeated 3 times and it is more than other numbers, so the mode will also be 52, 500,000. Now the third question is that as option, now what they do is give each employee a bonus of 5% of his or her original salary. Now what we will do is we add the bonus under the second plan to original salaries to create a new data set. So let's create a new data set. So this is the new data created from 5% increment in their salary. So let's find the mean of these data. So as we get here, we have 1 by 10 because the number of observation is 10. Then we will add these numbers, all of the observations like this. So I will show it like this, 78.75. So these all will add it. We get the answer that is 525 by 10. So this is 52.5 and dollar 52,500 is the mean of the data. Now to find the median, we, because the number of observation is same, it is 10, so it will be by this formula, and we have to look on the fifth and sixth place of the data. So let's find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this and this, that is 52.5, 52.5, 52.5 plus 52.5 and divided by 2, because there are two observations, so we find the average. This will be 105 by 2, and this will be 52.5. So the median will be $52,500. Next is the mode. Mode is very easy, that you find the most repeated number. So the most repeated number is 52.5, because it is repeated 3 times. So let's see, write it that it will also be $52,500. The last one is D, is that as a third option, what they decided, not to give his employee a bonus at all. Instead, he kept the 25,000 for himself. Use this plan to create new data set, recollect the mean, median, and mode. How do they compare to the original? So let's do it. Recreate the data. So here is the new data. As we can see here, that he takes the 25,000 for himself, so there is 100. So let's start with this. Mean will be equals to 1 over the number of observation, that is 10. Then we have to add all of these numbers, plus 45 plus 40, sorry, 50 plus dot 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 up to 100. We have to add it. So when we add these numbers, we get 525, then divide it by 10, we get 52.5. So it will, the mean will be the $52,500. Now let's find the median. For finding the median, we have to look at the fifth place and sixth place, because the number is even and the number of observation is 10. As I calculated here, I just counted up to 5 place, 1 2 3 4 5, this place, and 6 this. These number will be added, so median will equal to 50 plus 50 divided by 2. This will be 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So here the median will be equals to $50,000. And let's move to mode. The most repeated number here is 50, so the mode will be equals to $50,000. So as we can see here, that the mean increased by $22,500, but the median and the mode remains $50,000. So this is the difference between this one and the first observation.